The most fragile thing in the human body isn't the bones or the heart, it's the ego. Nietzsche understood this, and he knew how to dismantle it without raising a finger. Today, I'll show you 3 psychological moves that once you learn them, make you quietly dangerous. The art of indifference. In a world where people are desperate to be acknowledged, your silence can be deafening. Nietzsche once wrote that indifference is the purest form of contempt. And it's true. When someone expects your attention, your validation, or even your outrage, withholding it shakes the foundation of their self-importance. Don't just ignore, exist as if they're invisible. Let your gaze drift past them in a group. Let their story end without your reaction. When they expect you to engage, simply move to another topic as if they're irrelevant. It's not just neglect. It's a surgical strike on their sense of significance. They'll feel smaller even if they can't explain why. And if silence can shatter the ego, imagine what happens when you control the narrative around them. Reframing their reality, egos survive on the stories people tell themselves. I'm smart. I'm respected. I'm the best in the room. Your job is to rewrite those stories subtly so they question their own status. Nietzsche believed that truth is a matter of perspective. If you can shift that perspective, you can shift a person's entire identity. When they brag about an achievement, respond with, "That's interesting. I thought John did most of the work on that." Planting seeds of doubt. Slight knowing smirk when they speak. Asking, "Are you sure?" with calm, unshaken tone. Referencing alternate versions of events as if they're common knowledge. Done right, they'll feel the ground of certainty crumble beneath them, without you ever raising your voice. But sometimes you don't just question their world. You set them up to destroy their own ego, the mirror of exposure. The most brutal way to collapse an ego is to let it expose itself. Nietzsche saw that arrogance carries the seed of its own destruction. All you need to do is hold up a mirror, encourage them to speak more, nod. Ask for just one more example. When they overreach, and they will, let the silence stretch. Let the room react before you do. That gap is the knife. Lean back slowly when they speak, signaling detachment. Maintain soft eye contact, as if analyzing them. When they stumble, let a faint chuckle slip, nothing more. The beauty of this technique is that they destroy themselves in front of others, while you remain untouched. Almost innocent. Nietzsche didn't believe in fighting the ego with force. He believed in outmaneuvering it. Indifference, reframing, and exposure. 3 subtle moves that turn you into the quiet architect of someone's undoing. Learn them, and you'll never need to raise your voice to win.